Look at this shit. 1, 2, 3. So we're down at the races right now, as y'all can see, right? Everybody outside, we outside, and we're about to go. So I have 2 races. The first race. Alright, so I know y'all don't got a lot of information on this, but basically what's happening right now, it's me and my full bolt-on M3 running 93 octane versus a Chrysler 300 that's a Redeye Swapped. So let's see what happens. So we just did the run. That was on 93. I was on 93. And I just want to let y'all know that's a Redeye 300 swap. I low-key missed the gear. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Not missed, but I forgot to shift. But that was pretty close to me. I ain't gonna lie. And I think he let off and then went back in. So if he didn't let off, he would have definitely pulled on me. So now we're heading back around. I'm gonna go to E85 Wawa right now, and I'm not gonna fill up with E, but I'm gonna put some E in my car. Whatever I got in the car, I'm gonna mix it to make E30. And then once I make E30, me and him gonna come back out. We're gonna run it again, and we're gonna see how this thing goes. But I ain't gonna lie to you guys, that car is fucking fast as shit. Matter of fact, hold on real quick. Yeah. Man, it's good. I see you, brother. You holding on tight. Yo, y'all need to hire this man as a cameraman, bro. He holding on for dear life. But anyway, yeah. Once we get back to E85 Wawa, I'm gonna let y'all know what's up.
We gotta see the major difference in this E30.
Oh yeah, we gotta see how this shit eat.
Cause they think he a guppy right now, but we're gonna see some guppies.
Yeah, let me tell you something, man. Y'all too big for this car. Y'all trying to go for a ride? Thank you, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah. Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Some of these cars, bro, they've been stopping and they've been getting away. Bro, I've been hitting my brake, downshift, downshift, downshift.
They moving a little bit dangerous, I ain't gonna lie to you.
They moving wonky.
That's all right, we gonna snake through them.
It was good with this placement of the holes.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I definitely do gotta test to see if the E is cycling through properly.
No.
Yeah, gotta make sure. So I know at this point you guys are probably thinking I'm doing this to antagonize the cops, but I swear to God, yo, I was not. They were actually loving the car, they were admiring the car, and they were asking me to do this. In fact, thank you, I appreciate it, man.
Just with the cops right there, the cops admiring the car.
It's getting through there, you know. But once it goes all the way up to the 3, that's when I know it'll be good. But I ain't gonna lie, as the car is sitting right here, what's gonna happen, it's gonna go past the 3, then it's gonna come back. So I just gotta pay attention to that and drive the car normal until it gets what it needs to do. I guess gets through the system, and then we be good. Right now, oh, I'm tweaking, y'all.
You have to tune it.
We haven't tuned the car yet. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. As I was tuning this car and that man busted that corner, I thought it was raps, bro. The way he came around that corner, I thought it was gonna be a problem. But for real, he just wanted to know what's really going on with this Wawa gas. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I low-key feel like main man got a race car at home and he just trying to fill that bitch up. He playing games out here.
Put all that money in that car.
Yeah.
And then you put Wawa gas in it.
I want you to understand this, right?
Explain to me, because I'm not a car guy.
So the only reason why we using Wawa gas, because this is the only gas station with 85. See, that's my problem.
So you research it.
Yes.
You're not just going for it.
Oh, no.
Okay, so you know.
Oh, yeah. I only use Sunoco gas for 93. If I need flex fuel, it's the only place I can come.
Okay.
Yeah.
I always hear the Wawa gas is like watered down. It's not.
Yeah, it is. 100% is.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to run into some high performance.
You don't want Wawa. That's why everybody comes here.
Listen, man, you got a nice car. Be careful tonight, all right?
I definitely will. Thank you.
Anything wrong, we get like to mess up your rims or anything, man.
I promise you I
Officer,
won't.
we only drive the speed limit.
You know what I mean.
I got you, bud.
Be careful. Take care of your stuff.
Have a good night, all right?
Have a good night,
All
officer.
right, guys, have a good night, all right?
Take care. Be safe.
Now let's go back, get the competitor, and run this shit again. You hear me? What is it? I'll go. 60? Yeah. Brother, I got a question for you.
Yes.
Do you feel the difference in the car?
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, Lord help me, we have a race car. I feel the difference, and let me tell you something, this car is kicking. And we're ready to go, baby.
How was it run, bro?
No, but that shit was fast as fuck, bro. Like,
Honest opinions on the car.
There's a difference?
it's like from a 60, it was like we was head to head, bro. But then like after like 120, you just pulled, bro. It's like you just pulled, bro.
Yeah, I got all gas.
Huh? Did I win?
Pulled, bro.
No, when he beat me.
Nah, he won. He won. At 120, he just pulled away from me.
Hello, Chris.
Alright, as I'm sitting here editing this, I just want to give a huge shout out to my boy Chris, bro. He was a very good sport. Because I told him what I was going to do from the gun bus. I told him that I was going to be on 93 at first, and he was going to beat me. I told him once I put the E inside the car may get a little froggy. And he was cool with it. He understood it. He understood the assignment, and he went with it. So shout out to you, my boy Chris. I appreciate that. And then also, the next clip that you're about to see was my boy Mopar Ty. He was also a good sport too. I raced him like a week before, and we were like neck and neck, yo. It was a very close race, and I raced him on 93. I put the E30 on my car, and we were still neck and neck. That man is a driving ass man. He know how to drive his fucking car. Now, I want y'all to understand, Mopar Ty, he got a Hellcat, a regular Hellcat, not a Redeye, no, none of that, just a regular Hellcat. And he was right there with me. Maybe I'm not in the right gear. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Maybe I need to brake boost. I don't know. But when I tell y'all this, man, matter of fact, I'm talking about it, bro. Just watch the next clips, bro.
There's the top this thing. Now, I want to say I did race the fucking Redeye Chrysler 300, and the camera wasn't picking up, so I got to go back in these videos and see if we got the clips from inside the car. But I smoked the Redeye. The Hellcat gave me a run for my money. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I got to show y'all both clips, man. The car is still slow, but what I'm gonna say is this, right? Once I actually tune the car and I'm back outside, I'll be good. I need to get off this off the shelf, man. Hey, listen, all I'm saying, next time we come out, the car may or may not be tuned, fully on E, and yeah.